With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In this question, a molecular formula of diphenylmethane is given and we have to find out number of structural isomerism which are possible when one of the hydrogen is replaced by a chlorine atom. So, let's see how many isomers will be formed. Diphenylmethane is benzene, CH, here is benzene and here is hydrogen. We can replace a hydrogen by one chlorine atom. We can replace this hydrogen with chlorine. We will get one isomers like benzene, CH, Cl, and here is another benzene. So this is the first isomers. Okay, now we can replace this hydrogen and this hydrogen. These two hydrogen have the same environment, so we will get one isomer by replacing any one of these, and that would be, here is chlorine atom, here is CH2. So this is the second isomers. Now we can also get the another isomers by replacing these two hydrogens. These two hydrogens also have same environment, so we will get our third isomers like at this position there will be Cl, CH2. This is the third isomers. Now we can also replace these two hydrogen. These two hydrogen have same environment. I'm marking them. This is first hydrogen, this is second, this is also second, third, fourth, here is fifth, here is this hydrogen is fifth, this hydrogen is sixth, this is sixth hydrogen atom are here. So if I will replace the fourth hydrogen, then we will get our next isomer, and it would be benzene ring. Here is Cl, CH2, here is another benzene. So this is our fourth isomers. If I will replace any hydrogen that is from fifth number, we will get another isomers. So it would be like benzene, CH2, another benzene ring, and this is the fifth hydrogen. It will be replaced by chlorine. So this is our fifth isomer. Now we can replace the sixth one also. So we will get our last isomer, that will be this one. This is the Cl. So this is the 6. So total 6 isomer we get by replacing one hydrogen atom by the chlorine atom. So our answer would be the first option. This is our correct answer. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.